Hi guys, this is Steve Crypto again from Goshen Abitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Okay, I want to teach us how to use our Ezipay Ghana. How to use your Ezipay Ghana to buy USDT directly from Ghana merchants on Binance. So this is my Ezipay Ghana. As you can see, this is my Ezipay Ghana. So if you want to make purchase, so there's a particular bank card that work here. So there's a link in the description. You come through the link to our WhatsApp group, so we'll let you know the particular bank card that is working. So without wasting of much of our time, what do we do? So you just come to mobile money. So this is mobile money. Let's say I want to debit my card and at the same time sending it to a Binance merchant, a Ghana Binance merchant. So this is mobile money. You can see it here. So I'm entering my, as you can see, they will request your password. So you can see here you have different options. So we'll be picking option 1. Currently the one that is working is card debit option 1. So you pick option 1. Then you select provider. Let me go back again. So you select provider here. So you select MTN mobile money. You can see it, MTN mobile money. MTN mobile money here. So you will need to input the number of the merchant, and you need to input your amount that you want to purchase. Currently the card that is working here has a dollar limit of $26. So we'll be purchasing 350 GHS. So you will now go to Binance and look for a merchant that accepts Ezipay option with what? Mobile money, MTN mobile money, and also send the amount to be debited. So let's say we put the amount here. So let's say 338. So you can see with the charges, so they'll be charging us 12.87 Ghana cedis, and also the net payable, not the gross, the net payable is 350. So there's another extra charge, but this is what you'll be sending to the merchant. So take note of this value here, 338 GHS. So you need to get the number, so automatically the name will appear here. So let's go to our Binance. Okay, these are Binance here. So these are Binance. So we come to trade here. Then we move to P2P. So we'll change this currency from NGN to GHS. Okay, as you can see, these are Ghana merchants. So you come to filter and we filter it. So filter it. So we are paying with MTN mobile money from Ezipay app, and also press confirm. So these are the merchants that are willing to sell USDT to you for what? For your particular dollar you are going to be debiting direct from your bank card. So this is how it is. So let's say we are picking this merchant. Okay, first and foremost, let me show you something. You can see that this one is verified, and also MTN mobile money is what we are going to pay by, and see his range 300 to 312. So this one will not work. Let's look for him. Okay, this another person is also paying with what? MTN mobile money. You can see it, MTN mobile money, but its range is between 100 to 1000. So we'll go with this one. So let's put it here. The amount you want to buy, 338. That's how you put it. 338. Then you see, you confirm. Read its terms and condition, please. Don't joke with their terms and condition. Read. No third party, MTN cash only. So this type of people with so much this thing terms, just forget about them and do business with other people. But make sure you read their terms. So let's look for another merchant. So let's look at this merchant. So let's include 338. So he's going to give us 22.61 USDT. So now you know what we imputed is the 338. So that's what we're going to be sending direct. So read his term. His term that he doesn't want a third party, that no third party app payment. He accepts Ezipay ever sent etc is received. So this is a good match, and this is someone that we can pay. So let's buy. We're not buying for real, but I want to show you how to go about it. So this is it. You come to this place, you charge them. Hi, I am making payments. You charge them. So you charge them for availability is a good one. So let's say you want to make payments. I want to show you how it will be. This MTN mobile money, MTN mobile money, MTN mobile money. So you come to MTN mobile money, you select it. So now this is what you need to be careful about. This is the number. You observe the name, you observe the number. So we are going to copy this number. That's what we're going to be paying with. You have copied. So let's go to zip. So we have copied that number. So that's the number we'll be going to impute in here, the Ghana number, and automatically the name will tally. If the name does not tally, it means you are not supposed to pay. So you just leave the ad, you cancel it. But let's check if it tally. This is his number, his name automatically appear. Let's check if it tally. So you can see God's free. Now the name did not tally. Okay, so since the name did not tally, please don't make payment. You just go and cancel. So let's go and cancel. Now remember I told you that the name must tally. So because we're not doing a live trade, there's no need to enter another trade because of Binance suspension. So this is how it is. The name must tally. When the name tallies, then you just put your name as the description. Then you send. Let's say we want to put our name. Now let's send. It's loading, so you need to see how it is. So remember the name must tally. So you impute your card number. We have a particular card that is working here, so check the link in the description to be able to know the card and come through the WhatsApp group so that will tell you the name of the card. So you enter your expiring date, your card name, your CCV, and you next. OTP will send to you. Once you have paid, it will show a successful message. You screenshot, then you come to Binance. And you say and you click this button here, transfer notify seller. Immediately you make sure you click it, and once you have clicked this, when the seller when the seller receive the money from Ezipay, he's going to do what? He's going to release your crypto for you. Remember, this is how to use Ezipay Ghana to pay Ghanaian merchants through MTN mobile money on Binance, and the USDT will be released to you. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and also give a nice comment. Make sure the bell is personalized so that when I drop tutorial like this, you can benefit. Thank you. So if you need to do Ezipay transaction, if you need to carry out use your Naira debit card on this particular platform, you can come in through the link in the description, the WhatsApp link, and we'll let you know the card that is working, and you also learn from other people the new update. Thank you. Kindly subscribe. We appreciate.